So the Safety Speed model EF5 has the new smart motor. It's a servo style motor, very simple controls, on off with an extra emergency stop. The machine also incorporates a keypad style control to go through and limit operator access. The Safety Speed model EF5, in addition to the new motor, includes a lot of standard features. The 10-foot long frame. The machine also has a 64-inch crosscut, so we can accommodate all the standard 4x8 sheets and panels up to 5 foot wide, even with a little bit of breathing room on all of those different sizes. Beyond the more basic machines, the machine also incorporates more structural steel in the frame, aluminum rollers along the bottom where the panel supported. That's there to deal with the heavier volume of use application that this machine might see. Additionally, the machine includes a standard equipment, the black wheel along the floor here, where the machine's going to have some portability on those wheels. As is shown here, the machine also includes a standard fixed stand, which allows the machine to be freestanding, independent of a wall, a beam, or a post. So you could put this machine literally in the middle of the floor if you wanted to go through and have that in the right place for your operations. In addition to those features, the machine also includes the standard dust collection kit, which would be all the connections that you need for dust collection, independent of the vacuum source itself. So a lot of standard features here that aren't necessarily standard on other more basic Safety Speed models. So cutting on the EF5 is a piece of cake. First, you bring the saw down to where you want to make your horizontal cut, tighten the carriage lock here, and then rotate the saw from its vertical to a horizontal cut position. Turn the saw on. So on the EF5, this new smart motor, the servo style motor, has an additional feature. With the more basic machines where you can go through and just push them and push them and push them until they die, this motor is going to give you more feedback. We'll go through the exercise of pushing this harder than you really should and see how the machine reacts with the given controls that we use to protect the motor on the servo motor. So the motor stops, gives us a fault signal. We're able to go through and just turn the emergency stop off, release it, and then we're reset to go through and make a new cut. So the EF5 was engineered for a variety of applications centered around sizing full-size sheets of material. The machine has a 1 3/4 inch thick depth of cut capacity, so operations processing sheets of wood, foam, plastics, aluminum, other metals, composites are all within the range of the EF5. The servo motor that we're using on this machine and the controls that are incorporated to make that motor go enable us to work with various materials by varying the RPM of the motor to get the quality of cuts that are required for a wide range of applications.